Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Jihan. Today I will talk about our group project event planning service. Our group name is Imagine Dragon. So, first of all, I will tell about event planning service. So, in the very beginning, actually event planning service involves organizing professional events for a specific audience such as weddings, concert or apprentice and plenty of the ceremony will arrange by event planning service. It applies project management techniques to tasks like budgeting, scheduling, site selection, decor, catering, and vendor coordination. This project focuses on simplifying event management by efficiently organizing activities and maintaining service provider contacts, ensuring seamless event execution. Uh, Now, I will brief about problem statement for event planning service. So, first of all, the communication gaps. So, miscommunication leads to unmet expectations and delays. The second one is resource allocation issues. Double booking or late booking disrupts schedules. The third one is budget overruns. Poor financial trackings exceed budget, causing dissatisfaction. And the fourth one is lack of personalization. So generic service fail to meet diverse client needs. The last one is effective risk management. Unmanaged disruption cause delays and cancellation. So now I will show you the use case diagram for the register or sign up and login. So first of all you see here, uh, there is a use case like register as user, register as admin, and here need to provide name, email, and password. So user need to register by giving the name, email, and password, as well as admin need to register uh, by giving name, email, and password. And for login, so user need to select login as user, and he or she need to give the valid email and password, and admin need to log in as admin by giving valid email and password. So now I will show you our mockups about sign up page and login page. So this is our sign up page for our uh, event app, and this is our login page. Here need to put, as I said before, as like my use case. So here need to provide username, email, password, and need to confirm the password again for sign up. And for login, here need to just give the email and password. So now I will tell about the activity diagram. uh, so for first of all the register or sign up. So here it will work as like user need to provide his information like name, email, and password, then request for register. Then from here uh, is fill in registration form. Then after filling the form, it will verify authentication. If yes, then it will come to create authentication, authorize, and display confirmation. But if it verify authentication says no, then show login error. So after that, it need to give the fill in the form again. And for the login activity diagram, it will work like first user need to put login, and then need to the fill up the login details. And from here then it will come to check login cardinals. And after that, if yes, it will say login successful, and then it will redirect to admin dash it will redirect to dashboard. the main dashboard, and like this all our option will work. So that's all for me. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khan Mohammad Miat and my metric number is 2221319. So basically my part is venue booking. Here we see the venue booking use case diagram. The user can access or to search venue, confirm payment and book a venue. And the admin also control the book venue. Then he access, send notification, generate booking report and manage venue availability. Okay, so next we have use case specification. The name of the use case specification is venue booking, and unique ID is VN1001. And the area of this use case is planning subsystems. Then the actors are users and admins. So basically, the clients and event planners uh, can search, compare, and book suitable venues based on event type, capacity, location, and budget. Then the trigger type is external, and the main paths are client or event planner provides venue requirements like location, capacity, and budget. Then system retrieves matching venues from the database. Then we have a client or event planner views and compares venue details like availability, pricing, etc. Then we selected venue like it's added to the booking card. Then client and the event planner confirms the booking by admin and make the payment, and the admin will check the payment. Then the system notify the venue manager for their booking. The preconditions are the venue database must be updated with an accurate details. The client or event planner must be logged into the system. And the post conditions are the selected venue is marked as booked for the chosen date or time, and the venue manager is notified and details are updated in system. And the assumptions are venue provided up-to-date availability information and payment is proceed at confirmation. The requirements they meet like ensure a streamlined and efficient venue booking process, and outstanding issue are handled. So the outstanding issues are handled overlapping booking in case of delays in updating availability. Then ensure system security for payment booking details. The alternative flows are if no venues match the criteria, suggest nearby option or allow the user or client to adjust the requirements. After that, we have our activity diagram, means venue activity diagram. So a user must start, then log into the page, then search for the available venue, view venue details, then select venue. After that, they check the availability, then they book the venue, then make a payment, receive booking confirmation, and that's all. If they select the venue and the availability, the venue is not available, then they are allowed to search for again the available venue. Okay, that's all for activity diagram. So let's go through our mockup page. As you can see, that's our mockup page. We make that. And my part is venue. So let's go to the venue. Here you can see there are available venues here, and there are too much venues here, like Hotel Majestic, Kuala Lumpur Convention Center, then many more. Several venues here. You can choose venue from here, and like here is a lot of venues. You can choose the venue from here, and then you can book it and confirm the payment. Then the venue will be booked. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Musanna Shahzad Abdullah and my metric number is 2220429. So in this project, I have done the use case diagram for the catering service and the activity diagram for the catering service and the use case specifications. So let's start. So this is my use case diagram for the catering service. In this use case diagram, we can say that the user has access to the catering booking, menu customization, booking confirmation, and receipt notification. And the admin has the access to the sending to the notification and sending booking confirmation and generate invoice. So, and in this part, I've done the activity diagram. So here's come the activity diagram. First start, then client selects the catering service, and client can also browse the provider which they want to book for, and then they can confirm their booking and customize their provider details and menu, and then at last they can confirm their booking. So in this, after that, I'm going to represent the use case specification. The use case specification in here is that the booking catering service. In the use case specification, I've included the area, the actor, the triggering event, the triggering type, the preconditions, post conditions, and requirements, outstanding issues, and alternate flow. So the actors of the catering service is client initiates a catering service booking. The actors are client, event planner, and caterer and system. And the triggering events are client initiates a catering service booking, and the triggering types is external. So let's come to the point to the steps. And the steps are client selects a service, and then client browse for the catering providers, and then client customize their menu, and the system calculates the total cost and the estimated value, and then client confirms the booking and pay for it. And the preconditions are client must have an active account in the system. Event details, date, time, location must be entered before booking catering. Catering providers must have their service listed in the system. And the post conditions are the catering booking is confirmed and visible in the planner's dashboard. The notification should be sent and the payment status is updated in the system. So the outstanding issues are how to handle the sudden unavailability of the caterers after booking, and how to address the last minute menu changes or client cancellations. And the alternative flows are if the selected catering provider is unavailable for the chosen date, the system notifies the client and the suggests for alternatives. If the payment fails, the client is prompted to retry it and choose a different payment method. If a menu is unavailable, the system recommends substitutions based on the client's preferences. I have also done the sequence diagram for this project. The sequences are user log into the system, validate their credentials, check for user role, returns success failure, grant access, display dashboard, full event details, send event data, validate event details, approve event creation, save event database, and then confirm event saved, notify the admin and organization, show success message, and display confirmation to user. Now let's move on to our mockup page. This is the mockup that I've made. In here, I included the catering service and the popular dishes here. So as you can see here, I included the popular Malaysian food, nasi minayak, and other popular foods also. So this is for me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah Jubair, metric number 2131751. So today I'll be presenting my part of the project, which cover three main points: the project scope, the use case diagram, and the use case specification for admin. Next, project scope. Let's start with the project scope. Our objective is to create a comprehensive event management system that simplifies event planning and management. Then we use AI driving tools to automate tasks like scheduling and budgeting. Then IoT. IoT integrations to monitor real-time event status. Then blockchain technology for secure payment and contracts. Other features include a centralized communication hub, customizations tools for client, and risk management tools to handle potential disruption effectively. Then use case diagram. This is the use case diagram. The diagram represented the admin key roles in the system, such as managing user account, generating invoice, monitoring payment status, sending notification and verification, booking details. The admin ensure the system runs smoothly and that all user data is properly managed. So then the last slide is use case specification. So for the use case specification, we use unique ID 011, then actor, admin, description. The admin manages the user management subsystem where they can create, editing, or delete user account. And then we use a step involved admin login, open the users management module, perform actions like adding, editing, and deleting users account, save change. The admin must be authorized. Then post conditions, user account are successfully updated. Then alternate flow. So, if there are invalid input, the system will promote the admin to correct them. So, finally, the conclusion. So, I have explained the project scope and admin's roles and system through the use case diagram and deadline use case specification. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for your nice cooperations. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Isam Juba Sharkar. I will present the designing part and also prototyping, and lastly I will present the payment section for the use case. So first of all, for the designing, we use Figma for designing our website. So let's go to our home page and see. Our home page, we can see that we have our login and sign up section. This is header section. Header section have all the menu, and then we have a hero section and all of them. Also user can browse the category and popular venue and also sample of project. And then we have a footer have a email subscription option. And then we have a venue page. So venue page, we have a lot of venue, header section and hero section. All of them are same. And then we have our uh, about section. So all the words are here in about section. Also we have contact space, so any user can contact us easily from the contact us space. So we have a category page, so if user click on the category, they can see the category page under the event or the venue. So we have our event page or venue page. If user click on the any venue page, he can see the page like this. Here we have a booking option. So this is the sample project, and also have a user dashboard and also have admin dashboard. So let's go to the prototyping and see how it's look like. So in our prototyping, uh, this is our home page. If user come to the URL, he can see our home page like this. Okay. So first of all, we need to sign up. Okay, let's do the sign up. When one click on the sign up button, he will redirect to the sign up page, and they need to fill up all the information and then need to sign up. So after sign up, he will redirect to the user dashboard. So the dashboard have a dashboard, event, message, and profile option, and user can easily go the available venues. let's see, click on this venue and he will redirect to the venue details page. So here he can easily book the venue. Let's book the venue now. Okay, book now. And then he need to enter his personal information and also the payment information here, and then he can make the payment. After making the payment, he will get the success message. Okay, so after that he will redirect to the dashboard page. So dashboard page, he can see his registered venues and all of this section, and also see his profile. Okay, now I already demonstrated the payment section, how user can purchase, how user can book a venue. So let's see our use case diagram. In our use case diagram in payment section, user can book booking payment. User can make booking payment. For booking payment, user have two options like use credit card or debit card and online banking. Then the system will verify the payment, then payment status and payment receipt. Admin can see the payment status and payment receipt. Okay, so we also have our activity diagram for the payment section. So first of all, user need to log in. So check login. If user is not login, then the system will redirect to him to the login page. Okay, so then if user is login already, then he will select the payment method and then enter the payment details and everything. Then the system will verify the payment details and process payment. If the payment is already processed, then yes, then it will payment successful, and if not, then it will redirect again to the edit payment details page. So after payment successful, user can see the check the payment status, and also the administrator admin can see the payment status and print the receipt. So that's how the system work in activity diagram. So that's all for me. Thank you so much.